Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF3 with iced coffee. Every time you turn your KitchenAid espresso machine on or off, it automatically rinses itself. On startup, the rinse preheats the system to the ideal brewing temperature. It also helps flush out coffee oils and residue, keeping the lines clean and ready. That means every cup you make starts under ideal conditions. And when you power off, it rinses again, helping your machine and drinks stay fresh. Let's make your first espresso. Place your cup and adjust the dispenser to fit. Use the arrows on your display to browse your drinks: espresso, coffee, milk drinks, and more. Let's stick with espresso. IntelliGrind technology automatically adapts to every bean type and roast, fine-tuning the grind and dose for rich, consistent flavor. Want it cold? Let's make iced coffee or an iced espresso. Fill a glass with ice, place it under the dispenser, and adjust the height. Use the arrows on your display to scroll until you see iced coffee and iced espresso. The iced coffee setting brews at a lower temperature, so you can create light, refreshing drinks. Prefer something stronger? Choose a single shot for an iced espresso. Just add cold milk to make an iced latte or your favorite chilled drink. Your KitchenAid espresso machine doesn't need a special container. Just place one end of the milk hose into your milk source, a carton, pitcher, or any vessel you like. Scroll through your menu to choose a milk drink: cappuccino, latte macchiato, and more. Before you start, you can personalize your drink. Adjust the milk or coffee ratio to make it just the way you like. The AutoMilk System does the rest. The machine automatically steams and froths the milk for you. Ideal texture, consistent results. And since the hose works with any milk source, switching between drinks or types of milk is easy. Press the profile icon to open the Save menu. Choose any of the 4 profile slots to make it yours. Your custom drink's now saved and ready, and the machine remembers everything.